Imagine having access to a meditation technique so powerful that it has the ability to transform your life from the inside out. A technique that has been hidden from the masses, known only to a select few who have dedicated their lives to spiritual mastery. Today, we're going to lift the veil of secrecy and share this ancient practice with you. By incorporating this meditation technique into your daily routine, you'll unlock a gateway to profound insights, inner peace, and a deeper understanding of your place in the universe. Whether you're seeking to reduce stress, gain clarity, or accelerate your spiritual growth, this secret technique holds the key to unlocking your full potential. Join us as we explore the transformative power of this ancient meditation practice and discover how it can help you live a more authentic, fulfilling life. The profound impact of thoughts. Our thoughts are the most powerful tools we possess, shaping our reality and influencing the way we perceive the world around us. Every thought we think carries a vibrational frequency that resonates throughout our being, attracting experiences and circumstances that match its energy. This is why true spiritual masters place such a great emphasis on cultivating a mindful and positive inner dialogue. By becoming aware of the thoughts we think and consciously choosing to align them with our highest intentions, we begin to harness the creative power of our minds. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery through the secret meditation technique, we start to understand the profound impact our thoughts have on our lives. We learn to observe our thoughts without judgment, recognizing patterns and beliefs that may be holding us back from reaching our full potential. Through consistent practice, we develop the ability to redirect our focus towards thoughts that empower and inspire us, creating a harmonious inner world that reflects in our outer experiences. The great spiritual teachers throughout history have understood the importance of mastering one's thoughts. The Buddha famously said, "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think." This ancient wisdom holds true to this day, reminding us that the quality of our thoughts directly influences the quality of our lives. By embracing the secret meditation technique, we gain the tools to shape our thoughts consciously, planting the seeds for a life filled with purpose, abundance, and inner peace. The transformative power of stillness. In a world that is constantly in motion, stillness has become a rare and precious commodity. Yet, it is in the depths of stillness that we find the key to unlocking our highest potential. True spiritual masters have long recognized the transformative power of stillness, using it as a gateway to access profound insights and connect with the universal wisdom that resides within us all. The secret meditation technique we are about to explore is rooted in the principle of stillness. By quieting the mind and allowing ourselves to be fully present in the moment, we create a sacred space for transformation to occur. In the silence of meditation, we can hear the whispers of our soul, guiding us towards our true purpose and deepest desires. Stillness is not merely the absence of movement or sound, it is a state of being that allows us to connect with the very essence of who we are. When we cultivate stillness through the secret meditation technique, we begin to peel away the layers of stress, anxiety, and mental chatter that often cloud our perception. We discover a deep well of inner peace that has always been present, waiting to be tapped. The great spiritual texts and wisdom traditions have long extolled the virtues of stillness. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna advises, "Be still and know that I am God." This powerful statement reminds us that in the depths of stillness, we can connect with the divine presence that resides within each of us. By embracing the secret meditation technique and making stillness a regular part of our spiritual practice, we open ourselves up to profound transformation and inner growth. As we continue on this journey of self-discovery, remember that the power of stillness is always available to you. By carving out moments of quiet reflection and meditation each day, you create a sacred space for wisdom, insight, and transformation to emerge. With each breath, you deepen your connection to the universal truth that lies at the heart of your being, unlocking the door to a life of boundless potential and infinite possibility. Unveiling the secret meditation technique. Now that we have explored the profound impact of our thoughts and the transformative power of stillness, It is time to unveil the secret meditation technique that has been guarded by true spiritual masters for centuries. This ancient practice is a gateway to unlocking the full potential of your mind and connecting with the universal wisdom that resides within you. The secret meditation technique is simple, yet profoundly effective. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. As you breathe, bring your attention to the space between your thoughts, the silent gaps where stillness resides. In this space of stillness, begin to repeat a sacred mantra or affirmation that resonates with your highest intentions. This can be a word or phrase that embodies the qualities you wish to cultivate in your life, such as peace, love, or abundance. As you repeat the mantra, allow it to flow effortlessly through your mind without attachment or expectation. The key to this secret meditation technique lies in the gentle repetition of the mantra, which serves to anchor your attention and quiet the mind. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and return your focus to the mantra. With each repetition, you sink deeper into the stillness that underlies all thoughts, tapping into a wellspring of inner peace and wisdom. As you practice this technique regularly, you will begin to notice subtle shifts in your consciousness. The chatter of the mind will gradually subside, replaced by a profound sense of clarity and inner calm. You may experience moments of deep insight or intuitive knowing as the wisdom of your higher self begins to emerge. Remember, the secret meditation technique is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and kind with yourself as you navigate this sacred practice. Trust in the process and allow the technique to unfold naturally, knowing that with each repetition, you are planting the seeds for profound transformation and growth. The journey of self-discovery and transformation. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery through the secret meditation technique, you are opening yourself up to a profound transformation that will ripple through every aspect of your life. This ancient practice is not merely a tool for relaxation or stress relief. It is a pathway to awakening your highest potential and aligning with your true purpose. With each meditation session, you will begin to peel away the layers of conditioning and limiting beliefs that have obscured your authentic self. As you connect with the stillness within, you will discover a deep reservoir of inner peace and wisdom that has always been present, waiting to be acknowledged. The journey of self-discovery is a sacred unfolding, a gradual blossoming of your true nature. As you continue to practice the secret meditation technique, you will notice a shift in your perspective, a growing sense of clarity and purpose. You may find that old patterns and habits that no longer serve you begin to fall away, replaced by a newfound sense of empowerment and authenticity. Renowned spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle once said, "To know yourself as the being underneath the thinker, the stillness underneath the mental noise, the love and joy underneath the pain, is freedom, salvation, enlightenment." This is the essence of the transformative journey that awaits you as you embrace the secret meditation technique. As you deepen your practice, you will begin to experience a profound sense of connection with the world around you. The boundaries between self and other will start to dissolve, replaced by a recognition of the inherent unity and interdependence of all things. This expanded awareness will infuse your life with a sense of meaning and purpose, guiding you towards actions that are in alignment with your highest truth. The journey of self-discovery and transformation is a lifelong process, one that requires patience, dedication, and an open heart. Trust in the unfolding of your unique path, knowing that the secret meditation technique is a powerful ally in your quest for personal and spiritual growth. With each breath, each repetition of your sacred mantra, you are planting the seeds for a life of boundless potential and infinite possibilities. Addressing common challenges and misconceptions. As you begin to incorporate the secret meditation technique into your daily life, it is natural to encounter challenges and face misconceptions that may arise along the way. One of the most common obstacles is the belief that meditation is difficult or that it requires a complete cessation of thoughts. However, it is important to understand that the goal of meditation is not to eliminate thoughts altogether, but rather to develop a new relationship with them. The mind is designed to think, and thoughts will inevitably arise during your practice. The key is to observe these thoughts without becoming entangled in their content, gently redirecting your attention back to your chosen mantra or affirmation. With time and practice, you will begin to cultivate a sense of detachment from your thoughts, recognizing them as passing phenomena rather than defining aspects of your identity. Another common misconception is that meditation is a means of escaping reality or numbing oneself to the challenges of life. In truth, the secret meditation technique is a powerful tool for developing greater resilience, clarity, and emotional balance in the face of life's inevitable ups and downs. By regularly connecting with the stillness within, you cultivate a sense of inner stability that allows you to navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and grace. Some may also believe that the benefits of meditation are reserved for those who have hours to dedicate to the practice each day. While a consistent and committed approach to meditation is certainly valuable, even short periods of practice can yield significant results. By setting aside just a few minutes each day to engage in the secret meditation technique, you can begin to experience the transformative effects of this ancient practice in your life. Remember, the journey of meditation is unique to each individual, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Trust in your own intuition and allow your practice to evolve naturally without placing undue pressure or expectations on yourself. Be patient, compassionate, and kind with yourself as you navigate the path of self-discovery, knowing that each challenge you face is an opportunity for growth and expansion. Invitation to embark on the spiritual journey. As we come to the end of our exploration of the secret meditation technique, I extend a heartfelt invitation to you to embark on this transformative spiritual journey. By incorporating this ancient practice into your daily life, you are opening yourself up to a world of limitless potential and profound personal growth. The path of meditation is a journey of courage, authenticity, and self-discovery. It requires a willingness to look within, to confront the shadows and limiting beliefs that may have held you back, and to embrace the luminous truth of your being. By committing to this path, you are taking a powerful step towards aligning with your highest purpose and unlocking the full potential of your mind, body, and spirit. As you begin your practice, know that you are not alone on this journey. You are part of a sacred lineage of spiritual seekers who have walked this path before you, each one contributing to the collective wisdom and energy that supports your growth. Draw strength and inspiration from the countless individuals who have transformed their lives through the power of meditation, and trust in the unfolding of your own unique journey. Remember, the secret meditation technique is a tool, a means of access to the profound wisdom and peace that already reside within you. The true transformation occurs not in the technique itself, but in the daily choice to show up for yourself, to sit in stillness, and to listen to the whispers of your soul. As you embark on this journey, I encourage you to approach your practice with a sense of curiosity, openness, and self-compassion. Celebrate the small victories and learn from the challenges, knowing that each moment on the cushion is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. To support you on this path, I invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Together, we can create a community of like-minded individuals, each one committed to their own spiritual journey and to supporting others along the way. So, my dear friend, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let us begin. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and today you have taken that courageous first step towards a life of greater peace, purpose, and fulfillment. Trust in the journey. Trust in yourself, and know that the rewards of this practice are truly boundless. In our journey together, we have explored the profound power of the secret meditation technique, a transformative practice that has the potential to revolutionize your life from the inside out. We have delved into the profound impact of our thoughts, the transformative power of stillness, and the journey of self-discovery that awaits those who embrace this ancient wisdom. As we come to the end of this video, I want to remind you that the true power of this technique lies not in the words I have spoken, but in the actions you take. The secret meditation technique is a doorway to a life of greater peace, purpose, and fulfillment. But it is up to you to step through that doorway and embark on the journey. So, my dear friend, I invite you to take action today. Carve out a few minutes in your day to sit in stillness, to repeat your sacred mantra, and to connect with the infinite wisdom that resides within you. Trust in the process, be patient with yourself, and know that with each meditation, you are planting the seeds for a life of boundless potential. If you have found value in this video and believe in the transformative power of the secret meditation technique, I invite you to join our community of spiritual seekers. By hitting the like button, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to embrace your highest potential. By subscribing to this channel, you're opening yourself up to a world of ongoing support, inspiration, and guidance on your journey of self-discovery. And if you feel called to share your own experiences or insights, I invite you to leave a comment below. Your voice matters, and by sharing your wisdom, you may just inspire someone else to take that first courageous step on their own spiritual path. Together, let us create a ripple effect of positive transformation, one meditation at a time. May the secret meditation technique be a guiding light on your journey, illuminating the path to your highest truth and most authentic self. Thank you for joining me on this sacred exploration. Until next time, may you find stillness in the chaos, peace in the present, and infinite love in the depths of your being.